So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Yearn Finance crypto here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search, just start typing in the word Yearn or ticker symbol YFI and then select it. Once it's here at the bottom, press buy. And now type in the amount of Yearn Finance crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $6 worth, you type in 6 and then press review. Then once you're here, you can review the amount that you're purchasing, the total fees, the total cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Yearn Finance crypto here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.